Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to make Kadai prawn. Let's see what I need for this recipe. Here I have 1 pound headless medium size of prawns, approximately 21 to 25 pieces, 1 medium size chopped onion, chopped coriander leaves, 1 small size chopped tomato, 1 small size tomato puree, 6 tablespoon mustard oil, whole dry masala, 2 dry red chili, coriander seeds, mustard seeds, fenugreek seeds and cumin seeds. Salt to taste, turmeric powder, Kashmiri red chili powder, garam masala, pachforon, 3 green chilies and little bit ginger slices, one tablespoon ginger, garlic and green chili paste. I already peeled and deveined the prawns. Now I am going to apply fresh lemon juice. Mix it well. Leave it for 10 minutes. In the meantime, I will roughly grind all the whole spices: red chili, coriander seeds, mustard seeds, cumin seeds and fenugreek seeds. Prawns have been resting for 10 minutes with lemon juice. After that I washed them. Now I am going to marinate with salt, turmeric powder and red chili powder and leave it for another 10 minutes. Pan is hot. I am going to add 1 tablespoon mustard oil to fry the prawns. Don't fry prawns too long, it will get hard. Take the prawns out of the pan and keep aside. I will add them later. Now I will add the remaining oil to the same pan and wait for a minute until it is hot. After this I am going to add all the spices one by one. Here I have pachforon, fennel seeds, fenugreek seeds, mustard seeds, cumin seeds and nigella seeds. Sliced green chili and ginger. Chopped onion. I will fry the onion till onion is not getting little brown color. Change the color. Onion's color has changed little brown. Now I will add ginger garlic paste. ginger, garlic and green chili paste. Now I will add chopped tomato, tomato paste, turmeric powder, half tablespoon, Kashmiri red chili powder, half tablespoon, cover it for 2 more minutes, let the oil separate. I have to add all the prawns. These prawns I already fried. I have to add a little bit of water. Salt according to taste. Chopped coriander leaves. I will keep little coriander leaves for garnishing. Roughly ground whole spices. Now I will add a little bit water to boil the prawns. Prawn doesn't take long time to cook. Flame should be medium and cover it for 5 to 6 minutes. Let's check. Kadai prawn is ready. Now I have to add little bit garam masala powder. Turn off the gas. It's time to serve. Kadai prawn is ready. Garnish with some chopped coriander leaves. You can serve it with steamed rice, roti or paratha. Thanks for watching my recipe. See you next time. Take care. Bye.